The healthcare industry is something that has become so incredibly important. It always was, but even more pronounced during the pandemic. So I think I was really just excited to be assigned to this project and this client.
The Health Council of East Central Florida. We do a lot of work for the state of Florida. We do a lot of work for our county governments. We do work sometimes for cities. We do a lot of work with the public health departments. And I understood that market research at Seton Hall was providing support for research projects. So I reached out and I said, help us to determine how to take the Health Council of East Central Florida into the future.
So we started by doing some qualitative research and using our own background knowledge of the healthcare industry. But then we realized this was all based on qualitative research and data. We needed to really get into the quantitative data to back up our ideas. We designed a survey and emailed them away, and we sifted through the results, and they ultimately impacted our final recommendations.
That's exactly what Seton Hall's market research project did for us. It gave us that needs assessment component, it analyzed the data, it provided us with a direction, and then ultimately we were able to act on many of those things and actually implement based on their suggestions.
Hey Ken, how are you doing?
Hi Carrie, good. It's great to see you again.
Ken, something we proposed last year in our presentation was a potential expansion of the Caramedic service that you have.
In fact, that program has expanded considerably since the time of the project. And one of the things we're doing actually is food, meal delivery. We have done some medication delivery as well. In fact, Caramedics will become a brand new corporation in 2022. We're spinning it off as a for-profit entity with some funding stream back to support our nonprofit. So it has made some significant progress since the time of this study, and a lot of the research that was done was very helpful on that.
Well, that is such great news. Really good to hear. For us, we learned a lot, so I'm really thankful for that opportunity to work with you.
Carrie, it was great talking to you. Thank you.
Bye, Ken. Our findings did confirm our initial thinking, but it was a really good experience to see that there was hard data to back up our hypothesis. I think this was the best class that Seton Hall offered because it gave you the opportunity to work directly with someone in the industry. You have that client interaction, but then at the same time you're also working with a team, and it really mimics how life is in the actual workforce. So it really helped prepare me well for the challenges that I face in my job today.